Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can put pictures in TikTok comments, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you have to do is simply go ahead, first of all go to App Store, go to search bar, type in TikTok, tap on TikTok, and then make sure your app is up to date, and if it's not, then tap on update option that will be here instead of open. Update your app and you're good to go. Then go ahead, go back, open your TikTok app, then go ahead, tap on this comment section, and then you're gonna go ahead, go to add comment, and you will find, before you do that, you will find this little picture icon. Tap on picture icon, choose a picture for you, and you can add in a comment or anything, and when you send it, the picture will be sent. That's how you can go ahead, comment a picture on TikTok comments. You can do that as many times as you want, and that's all it takes. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.